To get started with GlobalGPT, visit the website and sign up for an account. As a new user, you'll receive bonuses upon registration. Additionally, you can earn credits by inviting others to join, with approximately $1 in credit awarded for every 10 registered users. The platform offers a range of tools and integrations, allowing you to access various AI models and programs in one place. The basic functionality of GlobalGPT is similar to ChatGPT, but with the added benefit of multiple integrations. You can add tools such as Midjourney, GPT 4.5, and DeepSeek to your account, and switch between them seamlessly. For example, Midjourney enables you to generate images, while other tools offer different capabilities. You can add multiple tools to your account and use them as needed. The platform also features a Recommend tab, which suggests tool sets for different users, such as designers, developers, and content creators. The Explorer page allows you to filter through various tools and learn more about each one. You can also view a gallery of AI-generated art created using GlobalGPT, and try out different tools and prompts. Your account history is accessible via the History tab, where you can view your previously used tools. If you run out of credits on the free plan, you can upgrade to a paid plan, which offers various subscription options and payment methods, including crypto and fiat currencies. The platform also supports iOS devices and offers language options. Overall, GlobalGPT provides a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for accessing and utilizing various AI models and tools.